Wait, what? K70 or K80? If you can see K99. So K66 leading, and I think the back should be K64 slash the trailer car that got its paint sheared off.
How do you know this?
Because I saw it. And that should be K64. Well, I think.
If you're not boarding the service, please remain in my building.
And,
Do we get on?
Nah, we're not gonna get on. It's not K99. I'm getting on.
Oi, move! This case has ruined scratches on every single window.
Wait, security's coming, Security on the back. So walk us there.
Go on. Brent's going to get chased by a little rocket.
You're going to die in a second.
Unless the rocket's like, what? Not moving. Oh yeah! You people online. It'd be impossible.
Yeah.
Closing. Please stand clear.
Alright, so we're gonna talk museum stage. It's my 1 year anniversary. Alright, so
I'm going to do the video of the last day of pay sets before April 20th.
oh!
What about the
Now,
can shop?
I'm not gonna have kids. What?
What about the can shop? Oh, that's so far. I never went this far. Those 2 kids, I don't have any.
Today is the last day of operation for quite a lot of KSET services.
Yeah, but this one will stay. This is one of the 2 afternoon services that will stay actually.
Yeah, he's correct. So, this, the 444 from Central Platform 20 and the 449 will remain for the afternoon peak, although all T8 afternoon peak services have already been scrapped.
Yeah.
But on the April 20th timetable change, T3 services will be completely scrapped.
There's one T8 service. One's a cinnamon and blue.
Yeah, again, he's right.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
In the morning peak, there will be in the morning peak, there will be 2 T8 K-sets departing Campbelltown at 6:55 and 7:55 a.m.
Yeah, so the 655 one, it first starts the service at the city circle, then to Sydenham, and then it goes empty to Campbelltown and starts that service.
Yeah, totally. And for off-peak, we currently have no information about the off-peak, although there are some rumors that there will be an all-day T6 service. Update: T6 services have been removed. There are no T6 services. Very cool feature of the cases.
Oh yeah, not to mention, there's also you can also make things look like you're dining.
Alright, and here is a tour of the K set. This is the upper floor. This is the lower floor. And on the other side is, you know, the guard stand.
Okay, well now.
And here's circular key.
Dude, who the hell placed a metal bar?
Some stupid designer who works at government.
United.
So now we're at circular key, the circular key, the Harvard view, and also
Due to people in the way, I could not film the doors closing. Anyway, here's a random water. Here is water set A10.
There's 67.
But why'd you copy me?
Wait, how do you know it's 18?
Can't have this.
Oh, yes.
But ended at the last two digits of 10.
Yeah.
Harbor of View.
Next stop, Wynyard, change at Wynyard for something.
Next stop, Wynyard. Trains at Wynyard or T1 North Shore and Western Line services. T3 Liverpool and Inner West services. And T9 Northern Line services.
Buses and trams.
Fun fact, the Northern Line didn't exist until like 2019.
I know, Jeffrey and I discovered.
Yeah, same. I only just discovered that recently. It was after the Epic Trust Railway.
Yeah, because of the ECRL.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it was so funny. Like, it literally said, because one is A15. A32.
Oh.
So, but during a school day, I actually saw him. Maybe, I actually saw him come from like,
You're all closing.
could have been called a silver battler.
Yeah. Two people running.
Hey, can you get off at us?
These last K-set services are getting a lot of attention. Random K-set fact number 548. K64 has carriage number 3528.
Arriving at the Town Hall.
Next station is Town Hall. Change here for the T1 North Shore and Western, T3 Liverpool and Inner West, T4 Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra, and the T9. The map. I can guess where you live. I think you live at
You live on Earth.
Route 2. I think you, yes you, a different viewer, live at Sydney. No, I'm kidding. You probably live in India or something.
That's so slow. Why are we so slow?
I don't need a Roblox jump scare. Also, is the train far of us delayed or something? Why are we going so slow? We have officially stopped.
Wait, what? Oh my god, another guy finding patients. Another one.
Wait, dude, you
Don't do that.
go to Central then. I'll go to Central. Because my friend's also coming. Alright, I'm gonna get off at Central. Wait, are you gonna get off with me? Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. I'll make a video, okay?
That's the odd.
What? Oh, I just want to send the patients there, by the way.
Is that Marcus?
And the reason I just want to get a video today, you know.
In case it departs Central at 4:59, we arrive at 5:02.
Yeah, but we can't see the case yet.
It's probably already departed.
Where the hell is the case yet? It would have been passing us by now. Every time.
Might be right.
I forgot cancelled.
Alright, I'm gonna get off at
Actually, we're running late. We should have arrived by now.
Yeah, it's at museum already. It's already past us. It's at museum now.
Alright, then I'll
Oh, we're stopping again right before the station.
Okay, I actually may go to Flemo actually.
Okay.
That's cool. Yeah, case already left.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's just get up. I'm gonna get up on Central.
Okay, so
I'll see you at Flemo.
yeah.
Well, try to.
Yeah.
Well, we're now arriving back to Central. This will be the end.
Alright, I'll see you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.